Mike here. Today I wanted to talk about the TDI, the one-stage pure water system. How this system works is it uses resin to filtrate the water. Resin is like tiny little sand beads. There's literally hundreds of thousands of them inside this filter, and they use positive and negative charge ions to remove all the total dissolved solids from the water, or the TDS, to bring it down to zero and make it pure. Now, when your water is pure, that's what it's going to dry in the window spot free. Now, the TDI uses resin, and it's best used in areas of TDS of 100 or lower. That's where you're going to get the best value out of the system. If you're in a city where the TDS is higher than 100, or you're going to be on well water, which is much harder water, you will find that a multi-stage system is a better value for you. This will still filtrate the water and bring it down to zero or pure, but you're going to burn through the resin much faster, whereas a multi-stage system will have a much longer filter life and be better in those harder water areas. Now, I wanted to show you how to change the filter as well. To do that, you're going to want to remove this clamp. So I have a 1/2-inch socket and a wrench. Now, for the sake of the video, I've already removed it here. So you take the clamp off, the black housing insert. This is the end where you put in your source water, okay, so the inlet. So I removed the black housing insert. It's going to have 2 O-rings as well as a silicone-based lubricant there. Now, when you remove the filter out, it's going to come out. This filter here will have 2 ends on it. This end here does not have any seal on it, whereas this end here has a gasket on it, or a brine seal. The job of the brine seal is to stop the water from going over the filter. Water is very lazy. It will always choose the path of least resistance. So when we have this brine seal here, it makes the water stay in and go through the filter. When you're putting the filter in, it's very important to do it from the inlet side, and you're going to insert the area that does not have the brine seal on it. If you were to insert the brine seal in, it's going to rub all through the stainless steel housing, and it's going to cause the brine seal to not sit correctly and thus not do its job. So again, take the area that does not have the brine seal, push it through, and the brine seal will end up right near the inlet, so it stops the water and makes the water go through the filter. Okay, and that's all there is to it. Pushes in nice and easy, and then you're going to put the housing insert back on, and then the clamp back on. Now, what's important about the clamp is to ensure that when you put it back on, it is on both the black housing insert and the stainless steel housing. If you're going to put it on over here a little bit more, you're going to find that it won't make a difference. And these pressurized systems, once the water goes in, it will push the housing insert and it will explode off. So clamp it on so it's in the middle of the black housing insert and catches the lip on the stainless steel housing. And then once you tighten it back up, the system will be good to use again.